You're such a dirty skank. I know.
You want some bacon?
Okay.
Alright, so I got this bad girl that I keep on the side, you know? She goes by the name of Chachi. Sexy dog. Check it out. That's the car.
Hi, baby.
So cutie.
I missed you.
Miss you too.
Come on in.
Okay. Damn. I'll make a hot dog out of those buns.
Do you want anything to eat?
I don't know. What do you got? Turkey sandwich, chorizo, huevitos, hot pocket.
The fuck?